good leader. You can see that he carries almost everybody along in everything he does. He doesn't discriminate.
We want to describe him as a quintessential human being, easygoing, highly cerebral, and a go-getter. I think I got to know him when he was with LSDPC, and many times when he comes to the house, you see that he's very, very analytical. He's a man that uses numbers a lot, and he's somebody that whenever he says something, he will want to do it. I think he keeps his words.
He's an amiable person, very focused, imaginative, deep, and proactive.
Happy birthday, that is all I can say. I wish you many, many happy returns.
And our governor, Mr. Sanwolu, is an energetic young man who has zeal and is ready to work and he has a lot of plan for Lagos. I hope that the coronavirus will clear quickly so that the people of Lagos can enjoy him. But I think the way he has handled the corona crisis shows clearly that he is a governor of the people.
I pray that will continue to help us fight coronavirus and make sure you send coronavirus out of Lagos.
Happy birthday, that is all I can say. I wish you many, many happy returns.
Well, my advice for him is to continue to carry everybody along, both young and old, without discrimination. He should work with everybody. He's a governor of everybody. That's my advice to him. He should carry everybody along.
Continue to focus on the needs of Lagosians and also to pay attention to the needs of the leaders of the party. It is very key. He must find a way to balance these two demands. The leaders are there, the followers are there.
Continue to exhibit the qualities that have endeared him to those of us who are in his campaign trail and to the people of Lagos State, over whom he now has an uncommon and rare opportunity to administer their affairs.
I want to wish an able, amiable, dynamic and proactive governor of Lagos State, Mr. Babajide Sanwolu, a happy birthday. I pray to God that God continues to give him the knowledge, strength, wherewithal to truly take us to greater heights.
I wish him happy birthday and many happy returns. I also wish him good luck and pray that he will be able to take Lagos State to his amiable level for the benefit of every one of us. My governor, happy birthday. God bless you. I wish him to have a fulfilled tenure as a governor of the state. Not just a fulfilled tenure. I also wish him to meet the aspiration of Lagosians and the leaders of our great party.
Well, I wish him a very happy birthday, and I want him to realize that
just like every other person, I wish him a more rewarding years. I wish him great health, sterling health, and I wish him what he wishes himself is a bit getting older now. He should take it easy. He should learn how to rest, and he should not take his health lightly. I wish you all the best, Mr. Governor.
Congratulations and happy birthday to you, our number one citizen of the state.
Happy